What are you doing? Jericho. Hey. Hey, don't ignore me. Come here. What are you doing? Everybody wants to hide you.
Where are you going?
I look good in it?
Yes, you do. Here, get back in it.
I want this so bad.
Boom. Nikki gets a new car. It'll be our first clickbait. Sorry.
You want some, Monica?
This thing's dope. He has so much carbon fiber shit for this car. We got the hood. He's getting new fenders for it, the spoon style fenders. He's got the roof. This is actually carbon fiber. It's just got a horrible wrap on it. And this is why I don't like wraps too. 'Cause even if they're good, it's still gonna...
Bye wraps. We don't do wraps here.
Do that again?
We don't do wraps here. Oh, ow. It's so much better carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is.
No matter how fucked
Yeah, all that's gonna get tinted black lightly. So we're gonna lightly tint this carbon fiber and all this.
You're doing it wrong.
What, the peeling the wrap?
Comment down below what we're doing wrong.
Well, you're supposed to heat wrap. You're supposed to heat it up with heat gun
Okay,
first.
I'll heat gun it.
No, I don't give it. It's fucking. Who cares? Yeah, it's coming off. I'm not doing all that.
Just cut that whole thing off in one section.
Yeah, see?
There's that.
We tell Aaron that you want an S2000, and what's he going to do?
S2000, and I told you I wanted an S2000.
And then what's he going to do?
And then you go and buy an S2000.
Buy
and
a-
rub it in my face.
No, he didn't just buy a S2000.
This is gonna hurt you.
He bought a turbo
Oh, will you run
S2000.
him back there?
Yeah. Come on, Jericho.
Go.
Come on. Let's go.
Go on. Is it getting hot?
Nope. It only
It's not
burns.
working.
It only burns.
Oh my god, it's sticking.
Nice. Got my new vinyl wrap joggers. You know, no big deal. Go to autodip.com.
It looks like a leather boot. Oh, it's dying. It's dying.
Which one do you like?
Me personally, yeah, it's between these two.
Yeah.
I also like the gold. The gold one.
Yeah. Here, grab a couple of these. Bring these out so I can put them next to this 2000 and check. Alright, so now I'm all mixed up. Okay, so factory bottle green with blue pearl. That's the one I like. Bottle green with extra green pearl. Bottle green with like a teal metallic, and it's got a little pearl in it too. Gold pearl.
Takes the juice, then I'm gonna have to.
And then the color change. That's, I believe, Vega color shift pearl.
This color is insane. I don't know if you guys can tell.
I know he's part right. Don't tell me that shit.
You know this.
No, I don't yet. But I do with the loser and I lose.
Exactly. So okay. So this doesn't matter.
Alright, so what we're doing right now is basically getting rid of this hard edge right here, grinding it flush, and that's going to melt this epoxy into this flare a little bit, and also get rid of that hard edge that we're trying to mold smooth in. Thomas went ahead and ground this down so it's got like a nice feathered edge already to start with. And now we're gonna use, this was the quick setting panel bond. Now we're gonna use the longer setting stuff that is gonna be a lot stronger even.
You walk into a room, 2 chairs in it. One has cake on it, one has a dick on it. You have to sit on one and eat the other. Which one?
Okay. What kind of dick is it? Is it like a plastic dick? That's the real question. It matters if it's plastic or if someone cut off a fucking penis and put it on a fucking chair.
See that?
It's not coming off.
Nope.
That's funny. That looks good. It's
All right.
definitely not coming off, that's for sure.
So that's panel bond.
We got lots of stuff at Beware today.
Oh, Stevie said he also knows a guy.
$80. $80.
Stevie also said
For all that,
another person.
These are our new sanding jackets.
everyone's gonna be able to see us.
Give me one of these.
Look kind of fly, bro. That looks kind of hard. Like I would wear that on the daily.
It needs to have a logo on it, but yeah.
Cursive pocket logo, right to me.
Will you fix it for me?
Cursive pocket logo with the big logo on the back.
Cursive pocket logo. Yeah. Dude, that's crazy. You have a lot of hair. The perfect execution. So what are you doing here, Bo?
I am putting on the fiberglass part, which this is basically in replacement to body filler because it's stronger, won't crack as easy. It's basically little strands of fiberglass inside a filler, and this is after the epoxy. And I have this tape here so that it preserves the line that's here.
You look down, you might be able to see the body line. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a body line right there that we're trying to save, because if you look at the wide body where it's getting molded in right here, we cover up the body line, and we essentially just want to make the body line strong again.
Straighter than Brian, huh?
Dun dun. You get so cruel.
He says it all the time. Very nice. Alright, so she's going around here and basically blocking and fixing all the little imperfections on the doors. These are for that. The only thing left that I need to do is finish molding these. Whoever put them on got them a little off, so this body line doesn't meet up properly with this. So on this side I went ahead and drilled out all the rivets. I'm going to do it to that side too, and fit it properly on this body line so I can meet this body line when I mold them in.
What's up, guys? We've got Nick and Connor here, and we're gonna check out Connor's 350Z that used to be a convertible, but it is not anymore.
What the fuck? Hey, you need a disclaimer about it not having anything to do with me.
This is Connor's little project that he's been working on.
Brace of his convertible. He just ripped the fabric off that convertible.
And this is from a Chevy hood. Yeah, a Chevy hood right here, fabbed onto the roof.
But don't lie.
It looks really
He's
good.
gonna help finish.
I'm gonna help him block it.
This is not okay. This is not okay.
It'll be cool when it's done. Really? It's a lot of work for a beginner.
I like it.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Get that window.
That's the original.
That's the original window from the soft top.
So what I'm thinking is, this is not going on your video.
Okay, it's not. I'll cut it all out. You want to have a snowball fight inside?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were gonna throw that at me.
Yeah. Will you hold the
Really
other side of
honest.
this?
She's on edge after I blasted her 12
Or
times.
Nikki, you know how to hold it better.
I know
so
how to hold it
therefore-
better, so you hold this better. Ow!
What are you guys doing?
Just marking this.
They're hacking shit, aren't they, Nick?
Probably.
Probably.
Just marking it. Okay. Right about there.
See the motor in this
Yeah,
fucking
it's
thing?
weird. They did.
They did stupid shit.
Look at that.
See how that like weird thing goes there? What is that for?
Yeah, I think that's an AC line, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Right over the fucking turbo. That is one kind of ugly ass thing, but
So is the downpipe.
it's pretty dope.
I like the wrinkle blue though.
Sick. I like this. For some reason, I'm really
We
weird
have
about
that
that
over
stuff.
I
there.
don't like the gold tip.
You don't like it?
No.
Man, me and you are just not on the same wavelength right now.
I just like a nice looking pipe.
It's not really hot boy.
You like a nice looking pipe?
Yeah.
The cat's licking your wheels.
Thomas likes a nice looking pipe, don't you, Thomas?
Who doesn't?
Alright, so I'm gonna be spraying this tonight. This. Ah, come on! Oh, damn.
That's payback.
Okay, but
I'm gonna dodge it on camera, watch.
Shoot!
can we move?
You think that looks crazy on camera? Like it, like
I'm gonna
flying?
hit the camera.
Shoo.
One more.
You need to get closer. Oh, man.
Bitch, talk shit!
Solid content.
That's pretty cool looking actually.
Match my pipes, you know.
Oh, hell yeah. Is that what it is?
Where are you putting it? Right here?
No, hell no.
So what is this thing?
It's an air oil separator. It's
Air
basically
oil
like
separator.
a catch
Oh,
can
okay,
essentially.
cool.
So the bracket to mount it like down here.
That guy? Whoa.
Oh, but you're gonna mount it up there.
But I got a pitch stop mount.
Is this the bracket?
So I don't know where it fucking that's the pitch stop mount.
That's so nice.
If I decide to do that. I don't know exactly where it mounts to though.
So many
I
options.
think it might mount like right here.
What about right there?
I don't know. I think it goes through that. That maybe. Oh, like that. Or over here. Somewhere.
All right, so we're doing some weird shit. We've already started it, but on these WRX bumpers, which it had this wrap on it. Not sure if you guys saw, but they unwrapped it for me while we were gone, while me and Nikki were gone. And so we're gonna cut this out, grind this lip down flat, because that, if you can see, is actually not very thick, but it is there. So it sticks out a lot up there, so we're gonna cut it there, cut it here, push this down, put some type of, probably a fiber tape in the back, and then just panel bond the shit out of it in the back, and then probably melt it together with a soldering iron. And that should hold it pretty well, and then just epoxy panel bond the top of this. And then after that, it'll be just smooth. So that's kind of the look he's going for. So we'll see. We removed all the wrap off this and off the trunk, and we found ourselves a little filler right there, which actually is surprisingly smooth. This was spray painted. So that's all spray paint. Got the wrap removed off here. We got a dent and a quarter panel to fix. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this is our new project that we just got in tonight. This is a 67 Galaxie, Ford Galaxie. This thing's fucking sweet. So this is gonna be dope when it's done. We're repainting all the chrome. I'm gonna fix all the little dents and dings in it. Got some rust right there. But overall, it's pretty clean. And he did this himself too, which it actually looks pretty good. He did a pretty good job with it. So this will be a cool one. And then I don't know if you guys saw the RX-8 either, but this is a wide body, and he's got, I think it's 11.5-inch rear wheels, wide rear wheels, and then 10.5 for the front. So this wide body is actually going to look really good when it's all done and put together. Alright, so we are radiusing these fenders now. Hacking it up.
Huh?
I'm just kidding. Yeah, you're hacking the shit out of it, dude. Who the fuck taught you how to do this?
Myself.
That looks pretty good though, for real. Are you going through around here and smoothing it all out? That's body filler?
I think so.
Oh yeah, it is.
Look at my pants. I hit that shit and it exploded.
Really?
Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go back through and like try and make it a smooth line all the way across.
And then are you putting slits in this and this folding it into that, or are you folding it?
I'm gonna have to cut it again down here. And I'm gonna sand all this down and fold it up and weld it together. But I gotta clean this line up.
Yeah.
Alright. Everybody else left.
Yeah, everyone else left us.
That's not true. I'm here.
Thomas is here. But yeah, we just want to thank you guys for watching and having fun with us and hanging out. So yeah, have a good night, you guys, and watch the video, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See you later.